Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since.
Yeah, man. Yep. Oh, yeah, that look is it right now.
Fruit salad. Yummy, yummy.
Alright, y'all, you ready?
Yeah.
What it do, E&J? Oh, snap, started over, running back. What it do, E&J TV? Okay, now we both wrong.
No,
you was wrong that time, and I was wrong.
No, it's What It Do, E&J Crew. I'm not wrong about
I thought
that.
it was EJ TV.
We are that's our channel name, but we've been saying What It Do, E&J Crew on
Okay,
every
What It Do,
last
E&J
video.
Crew, boom, boom, bam.
You came up with that, you can't remember.
Yeah, I know. But as you can see today, today's segment is my favorite. Today is also
Up 420. You know what I'm talking about?
So we're gonna start the morning off real good, you feel me? White Run edition. When we rolled up a little White Run, we're gonna tell y'all a little bit about our year, how it's going, how it's gonna go.
Technically, this isn't our first blunt of 420. We smoked last night after 12 a few times.
Come on now. We
Well, I started out
waking
wanting
and we
to.
waking and baking.
Yeah, I know. So yeah, this is a wake and bake station.
Barely had time to wipe the crust.
You just seen wipes on. You just seen me do it.
Y'all hear them ducks. Y'all hear them birds. Birds. Yeah. Happy 420. My.
Stop hitting me. That's your 5th time hitting me in my arm. Now, I get you talk with your hands. Let me scoot over so you can. Because if you do that shit one more time, I'm going to toss your ass over this banister. Y'all seen it. Y'all gonna roll this clip back and y'all gonna see how many times he hit me in my arm and I'm not tripping. I ain't even gonna cut it out. Whoa, 3 minutes into this video? All 3 minutes of them staying. It's staying! Oh, now he went quiet. Now he went mute. Now he shut the hell up.
Now he got a prize pick. Yeah, now he got a prize pick. You're right. I ain't want to, but hey.
You know what?
What's better than smoking blunt, wake and bake,
When you're a true
making
stoner,
cake?
a true stoner, you know, 420 is really like every day. Niggas gonna smoke today how they did yesterday, the day before that.
But we gonna smoke a little bit harder today.
No, we're not. If we smoke a little harder today, we're gonna lose our lungs.
Yeah, we put 2 and 2 together. We gonna roll a fatty.
I'm not doing stupid shit just because it's 420.
I'm doing stupid shit because it's 420. White slant.
What?
Yeah, sometimes.
I think I'm hungry. It is 8:48. I only ate pizza last night. I was hungry last night.
Oh, you gotta turn my volume up. Motherfucker said, turn me down. And if you put in on the prize pick last night, man, I hope you hit, man.
Sorry, y'all. I ain't got nothing to say to y'all right for real. Right now. Oh, y'all, let's talk about that Snowfall last week. If you didn't, okay, if you didn't watch it, click up out of this video because I'm finna spoil some shit for you. I'm finna start spoiler alert, I'm finna spoil it. Because why in the did Sissy do that? Why did Sissy do that? Why did Sissy do it? I'm over here talking about Sissy ass.
I'm over here, but I was finna unplug the TV and hook up the TV, then I realized I started talking about Snowfall. I said, you know what? We gotta come back in and watch this shit. That shit is out, y'all.
I'm already knowing.
I mean, it's all looking like Wizard Kelly, y'all.
I just got done telling them. I told them if they ain't seen the chick, go ahead and click up out because I was spoiling.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm geeked. And I ain't even getting no sleep. I
4 So who you think finna be Noma daughter?
I feel like it could be. I feel like it's probably gonna be Kiki because she came out of nowhere.
She did come out of nowhere, and she don't have a storyline besides working for the Westons.
She the only person that worked out. Only black person that was working there.
That actually worked there. Tarika's an intern.
Yeah. So it's like, I feel like you had to probably have some good little pull to even get into some shit like that. She probably had some all type of shit.
Yeah. Plus, she didn't see the picture. Like, people think it's Effie, but Effie saw the picture. So I feel like Effie would know what she looked like as a kid. But then again, like I told you the other day, she grew up in the system, so maybe she don't know what she looked like as a kid. Maybe she don't got no baby pictures, so she can just only assume.
Yeah, he get me so hyped up with his power. Like, shit, you trying to go in there? And that shit ain't on.
It's not even on yet. Ooh, come on tomorrow.
Y'all understand?
Ooh, y'all, they got that boy Lorenzo.
What that Ice Cube said? I guess today was a good day.
What instrumental are you going with?
I don't know.
No. Yeah.
Yeah, but I was like, I'm hyped up with that Snowfall. I don't know, what can I be excited for?
It's the last episode of it.
What can I be excited for?
Exactly.
Right.
What can niggas be excited for? Sissy took the last chance niggas had.
She took the loop. Everything Franklin worked for, she took the loop. Oh,
Granted.
now we talking about shit.
Teddy probably wasn't gonna never let Franklin have it, but to be honest, I could see Franklin killing Teddy after the transaction was over anyway. Cause you're smarter than that, my bro. You know he gonna come.
Yeah, as soon as this hit, wounds heal.
Wounds heal? Hell no. Teddy's coming.
Teddy wasn't coming. That boy had
He gonna have a syringe or some bullshit.
That hot oil on his head.
Ooh.
Shit, that boy.
Tear him up.
Shit, that boy skin was peeling off his head. And I already know that shit gonna stick and that shit gonna layer after layer, burn layer after layer.
Ooh. Don't nobody. I ain't gonna say don't nobody deserve that. Don't nobody deserve that. Teddy deserved a lot though. Teddy did a whole lot during this series. This entire series.
Ooh-wee-wee.
But that's so crazy because after all the stuff Teddy did, not enough people hated him. He's still a likable character for whatever reason for what reason was Teddy a likable guy? But like niggas was like glad that he died, but not at that time. Not at that time.
Because he was strictly busy. And then he got personal.
This nigga Franklin finna go try to stick up a bank. And that's where he gonna die.
And that's what his last episode gonna come. Implying, because he ain't gonna have nothing. This episode gonna start with him having nothing.
Probably picking up from where they left off. Franklin gotta run off now. Without the money. His mama getting locked up.
Damn, Franklin got the Wendy's. He probably just built enough for the Wendy's.
Yeah, he probably gonna run into Lucille.
A lot of these characters ain't seen in a second.
What, would you be here for a spinoff if they gave Leon the show? Or if not Leon, I could watch Louie Loie spinoff. Like I can watch a spinoff with just her.
I can't watch no spin-off with
I couldn't watch no spinoff with Leon either. But I think I would be more willing to, just because it was Snowfall he was coming from. You know what I mean?
Like just imagine, like what is it like? Who else would they have?
That's what I'm saying. Like,
even, like it
what
would
if
be
this
just Lee? You feel like
Leah
just
Wanda?
gonna build the show like that. Oh,
I'm not being
so
wrong.
now we
But
gotta
that's
build
not-
new characters. Like, we
Yeah,
have-
they gotta build new. Like, I'm saying, like, what if this nigga Franklin died, and Leon feels some type of way about that so much to the point where he like, oh, I gotta pick up where he left off. I can't let my nigga name die in vain. Whoop-de-whoop. Now he on the mission.
His name down the game.
I'm just saying.
Yeah.
I can't see him giving nobody else. Can't give Sissy money. She in jail. Alton dead. We would never watch nothing with Alton anyway. If they gave what about Gustavo? What if they gave him a spinoff? Old also.
Oh, buddy might still go with Gustavo. The dude that was with you.
Oh yeah. What about the CIA agent? No, not CIA. KGB.
You feel me?
We don't know what happened to him.
They never show him again.
Maybe that's how.
That's how I get my money.
Maybe that is how Franklin gets his money.
Oh, I can get that. We can still do half now.
We still can do half.
We can do half and a half.
These are the things, you know. Niggas get high and you think about it.
Niggas desperate now. Niggas might take half of the half just for the KGB. You want to lead too?
He wasn't even looking for me, but here he is. Here he is. Damn. Jerome dead.
You know what dead to me?
You feel me? She been dead for me, but then Jerome died and she was really finito. Done. Yeah. Matter of fact, they don't put a bullet in her this episode. John Singleton, I'm pretty sure. That's who. We got beef.
So that's episode that's Snowfall.
Oh, okay.
This has been a good ride.
It has been a good run.
I write the letter that shit.
It has been a good run. That shit didn't even seem to be on as long as Power. I think Power just had 6 seasons, didn't they? Not just, but like, because 6 seasons was a lot. But to be honest, back then, they was releasing, I think, more than just 10 episodes. Not everybody just released 10.
Yeah,
10 across the board.
10, yeah, I'm saying that's on like the crime drama show.
Yeah, because straight dramas, like All American and shit like that, like straight drama shows, almost like soap operas, them gonna have almost 20 episodes.
You hear me?
Like,
Them gonna have
dang.
17, 20 episodes.
So much
season.
happened. That's what I'm saying. So much happened this season, it'd be hard to keep up.
This season might be a lot of holes in the motherfucker.
They want you to go back and watch it. That's what it is. So they give you so much. I gotta catch up on the All American Homecoming.
Yeah, gotta catch up on that too.
But I gotta finish watching All American first. But ooh, after they kill Billy off, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I can't watch it. I ain't wanna watch it.
I ain't what All American crap. I ain't what All American is.
I just go up and kill Billy. In the way they killed him. He could have just died in a simple car accident. Or I have to be from a bus falling off the cliff. Tell my family I love them. Face ass.
Why did they have to have any kids involved?
Jump off.
Why did they have to have any kids involved anyways? They were like, why couldn't it just be you? Why did they have to have kids where you received hate and have
You know, having a hard time dealing with it.
Yeah.
Around here finna flunk out of school and shit, get kicked out. Cause he just crashing.
Yeah. Where's Janger? Where's Janger?
Yeah. Oh no, don't do that.
What?
I didn't. No, not you. I was talking to myself.
What you did?
I flicked them off.
Who?
The camera.
I had to do that with young folks.
Oh, okay.
I just did that through you. I thought it was cool. You. It ain't cool.
Yeah, ain't cool. Should know kids be on this video anyway, because we're not doing nothing kids should be doing. If you're a kid,
Go to school.
go to school.
Don't do drugs.
Graduate. Focus.
This shit that happened to me, this didn't happen to
All
you.
this stuff can wait till after you get out of school. It's gonna be there.
Oh man, it's been a good ride. It's been a good, what is it, what I was gonna say, good. I'm looking for the words, let me enter the word bank.
It's been a good session.
I was just gonna say it's been a good time. After all that,
After all that searching, time. Chemical time.
I'm gonna just let it be time.
Time is inevitable.
Say a word again.
Inevitable.
And go. I love this shit. That shit again. Yeah. But yeah, man. We gotta go ahead and get to that
Snowfall. We better go here and watch that Snowfall, y'all.
real quick. Feel go and get that out the way. You see, it's morning time. Kids sleep.
Birds chirping. We're gonna go in here. They sleep. We might make another video after we watch this episode of Snowfall. And we're gonna come back to y'all after that. But for now, go ahead and like this video.
Comment this video.
And subscribe. Say it, run it back. Okay. Y'all don't forget to like this video.
Comment on this video.
And subscribe to our channel. And we'll see y'all in the next video.
Kelly, y'all.
Video.